Hello everybody and welcome to a new video, which is kind of different I guess, because so far I've been doing gameplay videos, but I just upgraded to the new Razer Viper Mini, which just launched I think a month or two ago, but I think a month ago, and Amazon just restocked it, so I guess I thought I would give it a try. So far I've been using just the basic Razer Abyssus Essential, which is this mouse. It has this nice glow light underneath, and also the Mamba logo is using RGB lights. But now let's see what the Viper Mini is all about. I guess I read about it that this is the new mouse and the only one that is using actually optical mouse switches, which is I guess better. I don't know. To be honest, I don't understand a lot about mice or keyboards, so I will just have to take their words for it. It has an 8000 DPI optical sensor, onboard memory profile, of course Razer Chroma, and it has this nice glow light, but I think it's only for this section. We will check it out. And it's ultra light. This was the thing about the Viper Mini in comparison to the Viper Ultimate or the standard Viper, that this is like really small and really light. So let's see what's inside the box. Pull this, and I think it's a really basic unboxing this way. And let's put this here. Got some papers, manuals, how to use it, what's inside, also the stickers that come with every Razer product. These are nice, but that's it. And then you only get the mouse straight away. Let's put this aside, put the old mouse aside, and now do the new one. And this is the new Viper Mini that just launched. It has this braided cable, which is supposed to be really good. Again, I don't know much about mice, so that is why I cannot tell you about everything. But it has two side buttons that you can customize, I guess, through their Synapse app. And then I think this is a DPI switch, and then the wheel. And I also read that these pads here are supposed to be really good and better than normal mice, so I guess that's really nice. But yeah, and it glides like every mouse does out there, and the braided cable, which is going to be better, I've heard, but I don't know. Anyways, this is just an unboxing. I honestly cannot say much because to me I'm a gamer. I play on console, but I also play on PC. I'm currently playing on console on an Xbox One X, and I'm using a keyboard and a mouse for the shooter games. And yeah, I'm gonna use this from now on. I heard it's really good, and it's definitely lighter. Yeah, it's just a little lighter than the previous Abyssus Essential. And it has also this glow light here underneath, but it doesn't go all the way to the side like the one that I just showed you does. So it's interesting. Of course, I think it's like a cost-cutting measure or something like that, because it would be actually really nice if the glow light went all the way to the sides. The material feels nice. Actually, it's pretty different. It's plastic, but it's different from my previous mouse. This feels a little better. And I can get a little better grip there. So yes guys, this was my first impressions for the new Razer Viper Mini, and I don't know, write me a comment if you want to know something, or if I can try something for you, or if you need to know something. Okay, peace out.